Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Developers Corner. So today we will cover the blog part. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you one thing. So from here you can create your new environments. Okay, like if you pass base underscore URL, okay, then here you have to pass http / localhost localhost 5000 / API / okay, like this you can set your environments. Okay, so I have already created one environment, so now go to like this. Okay, so then what you have to do is you have to go here and select your new environment. Okay, then you have to pass it like this, in double curly braces, and then base underscore URL. If you check, this value is okay. So let's start with our blog model. Blog model.js. So for blog model I need a sample model, so let's convert it to blog schema blog. Okay, and here blog so instead of title, blog instead of title, I mean instead of name I need title. Okay, then I need description, category, then we have number of views, its type will be number, and default it will be 0. Then we will also create like and dislike functionality. So is liked type boolean, and default it will be false. Then is disliked, then type will be boolean, and default it will be false. Okay, so we need to store our liked one users, so its type will be mongoose dot schema dot types dot object ID. So reference is user. Okay, so same we need to do it for dislikes. So dislikes. Okay, and we have okay, likes, dislikes, is like, dislike, number of views, category, description. Then one thing we need is image, its type will be string. Okay, and default it will be what? So let's find one. Okay, blog images, open this image, copy image address, okay, and paste it like this. So one more thing we need is author. So the type will be string and default it will be admin. Okay, so here you have to pass to JSON virtuals true, to object virtuals true, and then here we need to pass timestamps true. Okay, so blog schema. So our blog model is ready. Then we need to connect this model to controller. So let's create a blog controller, blog ctrl.js. So const blog is equal to require dot slash model slash blog model. I think tomorrow I forgot to push the code. Okay, updates. So we need validate MongoDB ID, validate. Okay, today also I'm not able to get. Okay, let's get our user. So const user is equal to require model slash user model, because we are going to create our like and dislike functionality now, or I think we can get our user with the help of request.user with the help of auth middleware now. So let's see. At the time of creating we will check. So one thing more I need is async handler. Async handler is equal to require express async handler. Okay, so okay validate. Why I'm not getting const validate. I don't know why I'm not getting this session. Go to product control, copy this. Okay, so next what we need to do is const create blog is equal to async handler async request response. So export it, module dot exports is equal to create blog. Okay, so let's connect it with our routes. So blog routes route.js. so here we need I think const express is equal to require express. Then we need const router is equal to express dot router. Okay, and then we need to module dot exports is equal to router, and then let's connect it with our index.js file. So it's API slash blog, and it will be blog router. Copy this route slash blog route, and it will be blog route. Okay, blog router. So next thing what we need to do is, let's create our new blog creation functionality. Try catch error and throw new error and pass the error here. So const new blog is equal to await blog dot create what request dot body and response dot json. So I'm going to status success, and then we have new blog. Okay, so let's try once. Let me create a folder, blog, add a request, create a blog. It will be post route. I think I have not created this route. Router dot post slash, so only admin can create this blog. Okay, so is admin, then we need create blog. Okay, let's try once. So we need base URL blog slash, so go to body row json. We need title is my blog 1, then we need category and then our category is ID category. Okay, then we have what, description, my blog description. So let's try to create. Okay, there is no token, so we need to log in first. So copy this, then go to this request authorization mirror send. Okay, so guys, you can see our new blog is ready. Okay, so next thing what we can do is, I think I need to remove this. Let's remove this. Okay, let's create one more blog. It's to my blog description 2, and it is from food category 3 this from travel, so 4. Okay, so next thing what we will do is, we will do update blog functionality. So update blog, here we need to write update blog. For update blog we need the ID that we will get from params request dot params. Okay, so it's blog dot find by ID and update. Then here we need to pass the ID, request.body, and then new true. Okay, ID, request.body. Yeah, so export it, update blog, go to blog route, copy, only admin can update the blog. So update blog, and it will be a put request because we are updating our data, so we need to pass the ID. Okay, so let's create a new request. Request is put update blog. Okay, base URL blog slash, we need to, so control C, control V, so go to body. Okay, let's copy this. I think this blog travel 4, go to body, row, JSON. Okay, so I am doing is my updated blog 4, and it's my updated blog description 4. Updated blog description 4. Let's send the request. There is no token attached, so authorization, control C, bearer token, send. Okay, so our blog is updated. I think we can add authorization also here, new environment. Okay, delete. Okay, we will see it later. So now go to collections. Okay, our update blog functionality is done. So let's move to fetch a blog, or we can say get blog. Okay, get so find one, or we can simply do find by ID. Remove this thing. Okay, so here what we need to do is, give me a minute guys. Okay, fetch by ID. Okay, here we need to here we need to update the numviv also. So await blog dot find by ID and update. So we need to pass our ID. Okay, then we need to $inc, we need to increment what, num views to 1. Okay, and then new will be true. Okay, await blog dot find by ID and okay, so that's it for. Okay, so if we create new request, it's get request. Okay, let's export it first. Get blog. Now go to route to CV. So there we don't have any restrictions. Okay, it will be a get request, get. Okay, copy this, control A, control C, control V, get a blog. So we are getting our blog, and if we again get our blog, we are not able to increment the. Let's check in DB, refresh blogs. It's my blog 4. Okay, it's 637 EF4, 637 EF4, 637 EF4. Okay, 2566. Yeah, this is the last one. Okay, number of views are not increasing. Okay, wait, post, find by block, find by ID, and update ID, then increment number of views 1. Const update views is equal to, okay, views. Okay, we are getting nothing. Update views, blog dot find by ID and update. Okay. Oh, let's try once again. Dollar. Increment. What? Dollar increment what? Post. Okay. Go to blog model, num views. Increment to 1. Why it is not updating? Oh, sorry guys, it's my mistake. I hadn't exported. I mean, here I haven't changed. What I'm changing, it's get blog blog control. Okay, yeah, our number of views are increasing. Okay, so next what we need to do is get blog. So const get all blogs. Response. So try or copy from here. Okay, so it will be get blogs. So I don't need it. It's find. Okay, get blogs, sync handler. Now get all blogs. Get all blogs. Okay, let's create a new request. Get all blogs. Base URL blog slash. Okay, so we are getting our all the blogs. So now we will do delete functionality. So copy this and paste it. Delete blog. So find by ID and delete. Okay, we don't need this. And then here we will get deleted blog. So create a new request. It will be a put request. I think I have to export it. Delete blog. Okay, go to blog route. So router dot delete /id. Only admin can delete the blog. With middleware is admin. Then we have delete blog. So it's delete request. Delete a blog. Okay. Base URL blogs slash. This blog we are going to delete. There is no token. Okay. Control A, Control C. Authorization bearer. Okay, and send it. So this blog is deleted. Okay. Okay, so now we will do liked and disliked functionality. So const like blog is equal to async handler async request response. Okay, so two things we need for this. So first thing, we need the post ID, which we will get from request.body. We need to send the post ID to request.body. Okay, from there we will get our post ID. So with the help of post ID, you can write blog ID. Okay, with the help of that blog ID, what you need to do, you need to find what? You need to find the blog. Find by ID, find by ID, and pass the blog ID here. If you want to validate MongoDB ID, then pass it here. Validate MongoDB ID. same you have to do here. Validate MongoDB ID. Okay, validate MongoDB ID. Okay, so with the help of blog ID we will find the post. Okay, then what we need to find is const login user ID. Login user ID. Guys, tell me from where we will get this ID. Only login user can like and dislike the blog. So how we will get if the user is logged in or not? So with the help of auth middleware we will get our logged in user. So request.user dot user underscore ID. Okay, so then we need to check const is liked. Okay, post dot I don't know why post is getting out again and again from my mouth. So const is liked is equal to what? This blog. With the help of this blog we will get dot is liked. Okay, so if disliked, so okay, let's make comments. Find the blog which you want to be liked. Okay, then find the login user. Then we need to find if the user has liked the post. Then there is one more option is find the user if he disliked the post. Find if the user has disliked the post. Blog. Okay, so const is liked, we are getting if. Okay, sorry, is disliked. Okay, const already disliked. So already disliked we will get from blog dot dislikes dot find user ID is equal to user ID dot to string we need to match if the user present in dislike array. So login user ID dot to string. Okay, so if already disliked, then what you need to do? Post is equal to blog is equal to await blog dot find by ID and update. So ID is blog ID. Okay, then we need to pull what? Dislikes may say. From dislikes we need to pull login user ID. Okay, login user ID, and then is disliked false. Okay, so let me explain. So what we are doing is we are checking. Okay, with the help of blog ID we are finding the post. With the request.user ID we are getting our login user ID. Okay, and we are checking if the post is already liked. Okay, so and here we are checking if already disliked. Okay, so first of all we are taking the case of already disliked. Okay, if someone liked the post, okay, and it's already disliked, so what we need to do is first of all we need to remove that ID, user ID, from that dislikes array, and then if someone dislike the post, then its disliked will be true. Okay, so we need to make it false. Okay, so let's continue. New will be true. Okay, so same we need to do for if is liked. If is liked will be true, then what we need to do? Okay, response.json blog. So copy it and paste it here. So if is liked, okay, so we need to pull the login user ID from likes, and we need to make is liked false. Okay, like if someone already liked the post, okay, then if I click again on the like button, so what will happen? It will remove your liked. Okay, so we need to remove the user ID from likes array, and we need to make is liked false, and then we need to else we need to do is, so copy it again. So $push where likes, okay, what? Login user ID, and here is liked will be true. So let's export this. Is liked. So go to our routes, router dot put /likes. So is, okay, sorry, auth middleware is admin. Okay, then like I want to export. Okay, like blog, like blog, like blog. So let's try it once. Create a new request, add request will be put like a blog. Okay, so base URL blog /likes. So with the help of body we need to send the post ID, and then post ID we will get from get all blogs. So I am taking the first one, copy this ID, paste it here, save it. Okay, there is no token. Control C, authorization, bearer. Okay, so let's send the request. This ID is not valid or not found. Okay, block controller. Okay, so let's first check it. Blog ID, find by ID. Okay, validate MongoDB ID. Why it is giving this ID is not valid? Give me a minute, guys. Okay, so post ID. Likes request user. Okay, so let's log our blog ID first. Blog ID, make the request, go to terminal. Okay, why it is printing every time user auth middleware. So send the request again. Okay, go here, blog route, blog controller, const blog ID, request.body. Okay, we are not getting the ID body, it's raw JSON. What's the problem? POST ID. Oh shit, I don't know why I am writing again and again post. I'm going mad. Blog. Blog ID, blog ID, blog ID. Okay. So, blog ID. Still we are not getting blog ID. Request.body. It's like blog likes. Request is put. Okay. Auth middleware is admin. Like blog is admin. Oh, sorry guys. But still it's not working. Why we are not getting the router dot put? Blow controller validate MongoDB ID. Why you are creating problem? If I remove this, okay, I think we need to rerun our server. Run server. Let's put some other ID. Shit, man. What's the problem? User ID. But I'm not validating my ID now. Like blog. I think I have done something wrong. Blog router dot put slash likes auth middleware like blog, then it's blog slash likes. What's the problem? I'm not checking MongoDB ID and then still it is giving error. Like the blog, like the blog, like the blog. Okay, we do it here. Now it is giving error. Like the blog is not defined. Like the blog. Okay. Oh my god. Where it is going? Slash likes router dot put. Auth middleware like the blog. Okay, let's remove all the code first. Okay, and then check log request dot body, and then like the blog, get a blog, update a blog. Okay, why it is giving error? Blog control.js 17. I think it is taking this one. So control X. If we try now, yeah, this is the problem, guys. Control Z. Now validate MongoDB ID, blog ID. Okay, So let's try. User ID is not defined. Hey god, user ID. User ID is not defined. Okay, sorry. It should be like this. Yeah. So we are getting is like true, is disliked false. If we send the request again, then is disliked will be false, is liked will be, and this one is removed from likes. Okay, so let's continue with dislike functionality. Copy the whole code, Control C and Control V, and then dislike the blog, export it, dislike the blog. Okay, so here what you need to do is, first of all, we are getting validate, we are finding the post, we are getting the login user ID. So here we need to check is disliked, is dot is disliked, so it's already liked. Okay, we need to find from likes. Okay, then it will be already liked. Okay, then what we need to do is we need to pull the ID from likes, and is liked will be false. Okay, then if is disliked, Control C, Control V, then we need to pull if disliked, then we need to pull dislikes user ID is disliked, is disliked. Go to model, is disliked will be false. Okay, then push dislikes. Okay, and is disliked will be true. Blog model is disliked, L will be small. Disliked is disliked true, push dislikes. Okay, and pull dislikes is dislike false. Okay, and pull likes is liked false. Okay, so let's create our route. So Control CV, dislike the blog, so dislikes. So create a new request, add request will be put dislike the blog, so base URL blog slash dislikes. So with the from the body we need to JSON, Control C, Control V, and we need token, Control C, authorization bearer, Control A, Control V. Okay, now send. Okay, so it is adding in new dislikes. Okay, and then it is removing. Okay, now I disliked. Okay, if I like that, na, why it is not working? Yeah. false. Okay, it's working. So next what we need to do is, okay, control. Now go to blog control, update blog, get blog. So we need to populate our user, like, okay, find by ID. If you write dot populate, what we need to populate is likes. Okay, and if we try to fetch a blog, let's first get all blogs. Okay, so let's see where I have added, like, let's like it. It's my blog too. Copy this ID, Control C, get a blog, Control V. Okay, so like this we will get. Oh, I think there is something wrong. Dot populate likes. Fine, I think I have done something wrong. Why we are not getting the user details? Populate likes. Okay, go to route controller, populate dislikes. I think there is some problem. Oh, wait, post. It's get a blog. Get blog. Response.json. Oh, sorry guys. I am showing here updated views. Okay, so if we populate it, so we will get it something like this. We will get our user details here. Okay, so let's complete this video for today. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Thank you guys.